Welcome to the highlight of Agoria's Taiwan Tech Mission, the visit to NEXCOM Hwa Ya Plant. Today, we explore smart manufacturing and AIoT innovations shaping the future. Agoria is Belgium's largest technology federation, representing over 2,300 companies, focusing on smart manufacturing and AIoT innovation. NEXCOM Chairman Clement welcomes the delegation, opening a global dialogue on smart manufacturing.
Yeah, good afternoon. Great honor to host the Agoria Delegation from KOC.
Through real-world applications, war room simulations, and robotic solutions, this visit becomes an immersive smart manufacturing experience.
And the NEXCOM played the crucial important role based on the green manufacture, smart manufacturing plus the ESG, and we deployed our solution in 6 categories to support this AIoT market.
So we actually utilize the data we collect from the product traceability. We know when it was entered the machine and when it was out. So we can calculate how much electricity or how much the carbon was emissions during the process.
So taking a closer look at it, you can see we have all these beautiful interfaces to connect to the robot skin, electronic skin, the robot speaker for the voice, camera for the eyes, also 2 different cats for the motors and for the joints.
Beyond demonstrations, we step inside the smart factory to experience the true power of AIoT.
Okay, so to come back to the synthesis of the week. First, some common findings, key takeaways, I think, of the whole of our tool is speed. We saw speed everywhere, and we saw not only speed, but we saw also acceleration. And this acceleration, I think, it is a message we have to bring back to Belgium.
Shaping the future of smart manufacturing together, NEXCOM, connecting innovation and the world.